Hey butterflies, how are you? Me? I'm well. If you're just now joining us, welcome. My name is Amber, and on this platform we talk about everything Amber aesthetics, which include lifestyle vlogging content, fashion, skincare, and most importantly, doing this YouTube together because it ain't easy. So let me give you the steps to a classic facial. Alright, so facials, you will hear them be called so many different things, but the steps that really never change are the ones that I'm about to show you now. They're gonna start off with a cleanser of some sort, a toner preferably, exfoliant, a mask, and a moisturizer. And if you are in the sun a lot or in the daytime, then it will be a SPF that's added on. Please guys, do not forget your SPF. Okay, cool. Now this video isn't so much more about the products that I'll be using in here. This is more about the steps, okay? But I will have all the products that I use down below in the description bar, so if you want to, go ahead and check that out. So like I was saying, we're going to be doing the steps to a classic facial right now. And I like to start off my facials with some type of heat. Whether it be a steamer. If you do not have a steamer of sorts and you're like, okay, I really want to start off, you can do a hot towel method. There's ways to move around, so don't let one thing stop you, okay? One monkey don't stop no show. However, because I have a mission, because some things need to get done around here with my face that's breaking out, we're gonna use Big Mama. Okay, so while Big Mama is getting all set up, her water has to heat up, okay? Just like everybody do. Cut that out. First step, and the most important step, is not going to be anything other than washing your hands, okay? Wash your hands. You do not want to take anything that's on your hands, the bacteria, dirt, grime, whatever, anything under your fingernails, on your face, okay? Stop, little nasty. Wash your hands. Now that step is completed, we are going to jump right in with some steam for our face. Like I said, it's going to get the skin prepped and ready to receive whatever we're going to put on next, which is going to be the cleanser. Oh my goodness, I don't know how this video is going to turn out, but I'm going to talk while we get this done. One of the main things that I started this YouTube for was to really like motivate you and to say, hey, you know what? I've seen her doing it. I've seen her being vulnerable and being bold and being on display. I believe I can do it as well. The things that have been happening behind the scenes has been no joke. However, I want to hear what y'all have accomplished this week, this month. Have you, even to the smallest things, which people might not even think that it's small, but like, have you changed your mindset on starting something new, or have you bought new products? Have you invested in yourself? Let me know what you've been up to so we can encourage each other, so we can be big out there together, okay? Oh my goodness, there is nothing like some good old steam on your face. Facials are not only to like rid the skin of toxins, it also is a mental factor to help you relieve stress, because once we start stressing, honey, it shows up everywhere on our bodies. So this is a time for you to sit back, kind of relax, take this time for yourself, enjoy the moment, really get in a mental space that's going to help you thrive. Therefore, it's going to show up on your skin in about 2 to 3 days, okay? You're going to be glowing, and no one will know. No one will know your secrets. But you can send them on over to this channel though. Shameless plug. Oh my goodness. It was amazing. This is exactly what I needed. So now that we got our face steamed and the pores open and ready to receive not just products, baby, if you know, you know. Okay, just be open to receive. We're gonna go in with a cleanser. The cleanser I'll be using today is going to be the Skipped. It has fermented honey in here, and one of the things that I really like about this product is biodegradable, it's recyclable, it's kind to our planet. Okay, if you know anything about me, save the bees, hug a tree, do not litter. Okay, that's it. You don't need a lot of product. I mean, your face is only this big. What are we doing? You just relax. Okay, even if you get your décolleté. What is a décolleté? The chest area. Okay, change your words, we change our lives. So we're gonna go in, and with the steam still going, or if it's too much for you, feel free to pull back. It's a-okay. This is literally your classy facial that you're doing on your skin. You know what you need for you. So go in with some circular motions. Now that we're at our second step, we're gonna go in with exfoliant. Exfoliants can come in a scrub form. Those are like physical exfoliants. And then we can have something like the one I'm using today, which is going to be a chemical exfoliant. So I will let this sit on my skin for about 15 to 20 minutes so it can do its wonders. And I will be back when I can show you the full effect of what this mask does. Stay tuned. We're now done with the mask, and that mask would have been our exfoliating step. So whatever you use in the place of a mask or whatever, that is the time that you use your exfoliant. Pressing that into the skin. So now we have had our cleansers, we've had a toner, we've had an exfoliation. Now I'm gonna go in with a nourishing mask. What I'm using is from Skin Script. It's the Golden Honey Nourishing Mask. Okay, so I'm officially done with wiping off that honey mask, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of toner. Again, pressing into the skin. What I'm gonna follow up with is a moisturizer. And the last and final step, y'all see that? It's light outside. We're gonna need some SPF. Please don't forget it. SPF is so important. I don't care, black, brown, purple, red. We need it to protect our skin from the sun. Right, so those are the 6 steps that are in a classic facial, and going forward I will show y'all how to add to them and what products that you can eliminate or, you know, switch up to help customize your facials. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, butterflies, I'll talk to you soon.